Okay, question 4.1 says not all the data is visible in column B, so you can literally just make it wider. Some of the column in data A is not showing and is cut off, so these are cut off here. How do we fix that? We're going to take this and we're going to hit the wrap text option. Now it all fits in. Then they need you to, so 4.3, they need you to do conditional formatting so that a cell with a 0 will be filled in green with a black font color. So I'm going to do this, pick up all my values, go to conditional formatting. I must highlight is equals to 0, and they want it to be custom, so they want it to be green, so the fill must be green and the font must be black. They ask you to change the position of the legend, so I would click on that legend and I can resize it. And they ask you then, if you right click and you format the legend, you can then move it around here. They want it to the right, so I'm going to choose right. They've asked you to change the chart title to something more realistic. So I'm going to pick up this little heading over here, Internet of Things Revenue Worldwide. And I'm going to copy that and make it my title. There's a paste option, paste. Okay. Then they've asked you to change the maximum of the x-axis. I think this should be the y-axis, this one over here. So I'm going to click on the axis, right click, make sure you've got the axis selected. You should be able to format this axis. There we go. And then we send the maximum to 220. Let's see if that happens. Right, 220. The next thing they want you to do, question 4.4.5, is insert the image and set the transparency between 80 and 90%. So I need the image inserted here. I'm going to go to Insert. I have my chart selected. Pictures, this device. I have it in a different location to you. I'm going to select my picture. I'm going to insert it. Okay. And then they want you to set the transparency between 80 and 90%. So let's have a look what that is. 50, so 80, 95. So I'll stick it over there.